Welcome to Wispers. Wow, I just came across this. Ogago. So it's if you go last Sarah. Really? Because on top of fearing if you remain for Sita. Okay, let's find out. Ooni's spokesperson, Moses Olafare, finally speaks on Igboho's tongue lash. Ṣé bó dùn yìí? Really? Ẹni tá a bá nà lára ń ta sẹ́. Pẹ̀tẹ̀pẹ̀tẹ̀ tá a bá nà ní pọ̀pá ni. Ẹni tó bá ta bá kó lọ tún bẹ̀ ṣe. The Ooni of Ife, Obainito Gurusi Ojaja II, has described the comments made against him by the acclaimed Yoruba warlord, Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, as irresponsible. It's vice versa. They tell you no, son, no, I count as irresponsible. In an exclusive telephone interview, Mr. Ogunwusi, who spoke through his spokesman, Moses Olafare, said the palace was not ready to engage Mr. Adeyemo formally on the matter, but the issue will be handled appropriately. The matter engage him formally. Wow. But I don't get this. Ooni was not the only person mentioned. Igboho mentioned Seyi Makinde. He mentioned other traditional rulers, including Oluwo of Owo. So, ó ṣe wá dùn ló wá gbé lérí. Ó ga gan. Ooni speaks. The monarch said, no true Yoruba son or daughter would speak in such a manner as Mr. Adeyemo has spoken, saying his conduct and attitude cast doubt on his true intention in his self-saddled, responsibility of defending the Yorubas. Self-saddled responsibility of defending the Yorubas. Lẹ́nu Ọláṣọ̀rẹ́, self-saddled responsibility of defending the Yorubas. When in the actual real sense of it, he was forced to personally deal with something that has a great and dangerous implication if not done, because the expected people that are supposed to handle it couldn't be bothered. Tó túmọ̀ sí pé ó gbà ṣe yín ṣe, iṣẹ́ yín ló gbà ṣe kábíyèsí, because ẹ̀yin gangan lẹ wà saddled with the responsibility of defending the Yorubas, but ṣé torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe step in. Mo ṣe bí lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí this self-saddled responsibility of defending the Yorubas tẹ́yìn failing. Nígbà tẹ́ failing, take up the responsibility of defending the Yorubas, tó ń wá dìde. Ṣebí ìgbà yẹn ńgbà tí Igboho dìde tó lọ síbẹ̀ lẹ́yìn náà tó dìde lọ sí Àbújá. Ṣé Àbújá ló yẹ kẹ́ ẹ dìde lọ? Àbí kí lẹ̀ ń sọ? What are you saying? Self-saddled responsibility of defending the Yorubas when the Ooni, according to whatever it is they are claiming, is saddled with the responsibility of defending the Yorubas, but he failed because right before his eyes, Yorubas are being killed unjustly killed. Suppose kí lorúkọ Lash kíni Moses. Okay, bring it on. Bring it on. The Ooni spokesperson, Mr. Olafare, said Mr. Adeyemo was going overboard in his conduct and he should not believe that he's bigger than the authorities. Olashore. Hey. But Mombano. Oh, make it make sense. Ooni spokesman, Mr. Olafare, said Mr. Adeyemo was going overboard in his conduct and that he should not believe that he is bigger than the authorities. Lẹ́nu yín. Alẹ́ ẹ̀dá nígbà tí àwọn Haúsá, that is you threatening him there. Nígbà tí àwọn Haúsá tó jẹ́ pé àwọn ọmọ wọn ṣe nǹkan tí ò dá kan, wọ́n ń rágàbò wọn. Bigger than authorities. Okay, wọ́n gba change ẹ̀. Kí lorúkọ ẹ? Olafare. Likewise, sọ pé ó ń go overboard in his conduct. Likewise, the so-called leaders too. Likewise, the so-called leaders' conduct, attitude, and inaction and quietness on matters, on this matter, even up till now. Back then, they were quiet on it, and even up till now. And even up till now, what's up? His conduct is overboard. And Yoruba gone. You the so-called Yoruba others. Your Igboho is overboard. The thing is underboard or no board at all. In your conduct. Tó jẹ́ pé Yoruba believe pé ẹ̀ga jù àwọn èèyàn lè ṣe bí ẹ sọ pé Igboho shouldn't believe he is bigger than the authorities. Likewise, the others too, they shouldn't believe that they are bigger than the people. Tí wọ́n jọba lé lórí. Torí láìsí aráàlú kò sọ́ba fakati. It's the same. It's the same. What you are accusing him of, what you are accusing Igboho of, you are guilty of it as well. Mo ṣe bí torí pé ṣe nǹkan kan. You these so-called leaders, you are guilty of it as well. Because you in your conduct and attitude and in action and quietness on this matter, on the issues Igboho raised, and even up till now, it casts doubt on where you truly stand and your true intention in defending the Yorubas. Mo bi tẹ́ dúró sí. Mo bi ẹ̀yin, mo adákẹ́mọ́ fún. Ẹ wá fi ṣe adákẹ́mọ́ fún. Meanwhile, evidences ń jáde pé ẹ̀yin àwọn Fúlàní lẹ́pọ̀n sí. Lábẹ́ ìjọba àpapọ̀ wọn, ó lẹ́ṣin wà. Ẹ̀yin wọn lẹ́wà digbí. Mo ṣe bí èlò ṣe kọ ara nǹkan tí Igboho máa sọ pé gbogbo àwọn bàbá bí ó wọ́n ń bẹ níbi tí ó mọ̀ dárúkọ yín. Ó mọ̀ kó bọ̀wọ̀ bọ̀ yín lọ́wọ́ ni. Tí ó bá sọ pé ọba tó bá wá lóhùn ò síbẹ̀ kó ṣe fídíò tó rọ́ mọ̀ pé wọn ò bí yín dáa. Wọn ò bí yín dáa. Kẹ́ ẹ bọ́ ọ̀tá. Kẹ́ ẹ wá lẹ́ẹ̀sì. Ṣé bí àwọn ẹni kò kí ń jáwàdé náà? Ọ̀pọ̀ èèyàn ní jẹ́jọ́ mọ̀ tí ó bá sá wa àlù kò sẹ́yìn ọba. Tára ìlú ò bá sí kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ máa jọba lé lórí. Tọ́mọ tí ẹ bá ti wá dórí àpèrè ẹ wá rò pé bóyá ẹ ti kọjá kínní. Àwọn aráàlú ò lágbára. Ìlú lágbára o torí ìlú fẹ́ yín lóyè lẹ ṣe jókòó síbẹ̀. Tára ìlú bá ló tó gẹ́ inú kẹ́ ẹ ṣígbá tàbí ká lé yín dà sọnù. Ẹ máa ṣe kọ́nu méjèèjì. Ìlú fẹ́ yín lóyè lẹ ṣe jókòó síbẹ̀. àtẹni tí gbá tí fá gbé síbẹ̀ àtẹni tí fọ́ọ̀mù àtẹni tíjọba fi sórí àpèrè ìlú sì fẹ́yìn lóye ni lẹ́nu Ọláfárè Mr. DMO was going overboard in his conduct and that he shouldn't believe that he is bigger than the authorities. Likewise, the so-called traditional custodians, the so-called traditional rulers too. They ṣe máa sọ pé Ìgbòho go overboard ni ẹ̀yin tí nǹkan mi bá wà ní overboard lẹ́yìn náà ṣe nínú bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń hùwà lọ́rọ̀ lérò àti níṣẹ́ àti nínú fífọ̀hún àti àìfọ̀hún ní. Tẹ̀rọ pẹ́yìn náà ẹ ga ju iná ń ga ju onírè lọ́pẹ́ ẹ ga ju àwọn aráàlú tẹ jọba lé lórí lọ. Tẹ jọba lé lórí lọ. Rádaràda. Mo ṣe eré lé ní. Wow. Kí ló tún sọ? If you are doing something, kí ló tiẹ̀ sọ? Kí ló sọ náà? Kí ló Oh my word. Olafare Tony, he said, we have not made any official statements on the matter, and the matter does not really make any sense to us. If somebody who identifies himself with the cause of Yoruba could be talking in that manner about the Ooni, who is indisputably a spiritual head of the race, is he performing that role? Undisputably. Ṣé wọ́n bá jà sí ni? Ṣé wọ́n bá jà sí ni? Àbí kí ló ń sọ? Olafare, kí ló ń sọ? Who is undisputably a spiritual head of the race? Then one must wonder whether or not the person has been representing us truly. It gives room to people to suspect your motive. What's up, babe? Make it make sense, honey. We have not made any official statement on the matter. Tẹ́ bá tún fẹ́ make official statement ńkọ́? Nínú newspaper kíní Ọ̀yọ́ state ní ìnà. Tẹ́ bá tún fẹ́ make official statement ńkọ́? And the matter does not really make any sense to us. Wíyẹn náà nítorí nǹkan tẹ́yìn náà ń ṣe yìí, Ọláfárè, nǹkan tí wà àti kábíyèsí ẹ̀ tẹ́ ń ṣe yìí kò make sense sáwa náà. Ó ti pọ̀ jù, kí ló dé? Ó ní if somebody who identifies himself with the cause of Yoruba could be talking in that manner about the Ooni. Ẹjọ́ kí ló sọ náà? Kí ni nǹkan tó sọ tó pọ̀ jù? Ó sojú abẹ́ǹkó. Ó sojú abẹ́ǹkó ni now. Ó sọ pé kò make sense sí. It's the same way, it's vice versa. It's vice versa. It's the same way all you so-called Yoruba traditional heads are not making sense to us, the people. Because if they, the others who are known as custodian of the Yorubas, are keeping quiet and they are not saying and carrying on as if nothing is amiss, then they have just confirmed that they are only representing themselves and not us. And truly, we are suspicious of their motives as well. And they are keeping quiet and inaction up till now, even up till now, as confirmed where they stand. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Nínú gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń sọ yìí, lára yín ó ń fẹ́ yàwó ó ń gbọ́mọ kékeré, lára yín ó ń gbé Ìgbò, lára yín ẹ̀ wà kùsà, ẹ̀yin náà lẹ̀ wà kùsà, àṣírí kùsà tó wá tó síta mọ̀ pé tó bá máa fa gbùrù máa fa ẹ̀yin la máa bá bẹ̀ ṣe bí Gani sọ Gani sọ na ńgbà tó sọ̀rọ̀ manual note manual ní adabanika tó ṣe dé sálẹ̀ kòkò. Ó máa tabára lé ó máa tabára kó máa tabá wọn ládéládé ṣé bẹ́yìí náà ni. Ṣé bẹ́yìí náà àwa gan-an àwa suspicious of motive títí yìí náà. Téèyàn bá rí ìrìn àbùkù wọ́n á fàbùkù lọ́nà. Ta ni wọ́n tí wọ́n lè sọ̀rọ̀ sí wọn? Kí ló dé tí wọ́n lè sọ̀rọ̀ sí wọn? Orí ìta náà jọba lé tí ò bá sáwà kò sáwọn náà so kí wá ni. Mo dẹ̀ ṣe bí tójú bá ń ṣe pé yẹ ká fi hàn pín ni. Tí ìdí bá bàjẹ́ tó nídìí ló máa dànà nígbà tí ibi tí ẹ pè lórí tó rà tó ń ṣèdí ṣe máa wò wọ́n ní ẹ̀ ní túnṣe ni. Àbí kí ni gan-an? Kí ni gan-an? Tó túmọ̀ sí pé ṣé bí mo ti sọ mo ní àníṣe ẹ̀fẹ̀jẹ̀ sínú lẹ́tútọ́ funfun síta. Lẹ́tútọ́ funfun téèyàn bá gbé rẹ̀ sípò àwọn olùmọ̀tí ó mọ̀ wọn ara ẹ̀ ni. Téèyàn ò bá ti so mọ́ ganyọ́dì kò ní di kíní adìyẹ náà. After all, ọba ní Sunday Igboho láàyè ara títí ẹ̀. Àgùdà ọ̀jẹ̀ lábẹ́ Gẹ̀ẹ́sì náà. Nílẹ̀ Yorùbá kálukú lọ́ba nílé wọn. Kálukú lọ́ba nílé wọn àpọ́nlé ni pé kíní kan ṣe pé kíní kan kí wá ni. We are in the 24th century now. Even the way you people other benefit about our own nation and then not to refine the functionality because most of you are useless. You are just relicking in the past glory of the stone. Because the way that they conduct nǹkan mo wà ká ṣe pé gbogbo àwọn ọba tó ti wàjà wọ́n máa turn ìjà graves ni níbi tẹ̀m̀bẹ̀lẹ̀kún àríjẹ ní mọ̀dàrú ajẹ́fẹ́nu náà lẹ̀ bí ẹ̀dìyẹ níbi àjẹ́ ẹ̀wẹ̀yìn àjẹ́bálẹ̀ jẹ́ àfẹ́mí ìbàjẹ́ pé báwọn ará iwájú ṣe ń ṣe níṣẹ́ máa rórí àpèrè dé kò tí ẹ̀ dùn mí fún yín no wonder táwọn ìjọba àtàwọn òyìnbó tó ṣe rẹ́ńdà yìí useless tí wọ́n fi rẹ́ńdà yìí useless because mẹ́lẹ̀ tó kàn ohun tó yẹni ló yẹni okun ọrùn òyà adìyẹ ńgbà tẹ wá fokun ọrùn sọ́rùn adìyẹ agbọ́dọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ mo ṣe bí wọ́n lọ́mọdé gbọ́ àgbàgbọ́n la fi dálé Ifẹ̀ ká fi yín sílẹ̀. Even fools are made kings. Imbeciles are made kings. So káde máa wòran ṣe bí lára yín náà ní títí wo tó ń ṣòṣì tó ń ṣìranù bí ẹran aṣẹ́wó ṣùgbọ́n ọba náà ní kádákẹ́ ká máa wò alẹ́ ṣe nǹkan tí ò dáa sọ̀rọ̀ ní tara ọmọnìyàn aráàlú òjò yín lójú míwàá gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ní ọlá aráàlú náà ni so kí wá ní ẹ̀yin àgbà lọ́wọ́ mẹ́rin balẹ̀ dùn tó ló dédé yìí àfi ajẹmọ́fìà yóò ti fúnni ní lóko òdí ọ̀pẹ̀rọ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní tara táànú àwọn aráàlú ò ṣe yín bíi tí wò mọ́ ká ní Sunday Igboho òdìdé nígbà yẹn ṣé bẹ́yìn náà ẹ jókòó síbẹ̀ náà kókó tẹnibàjẹ́ òkàn mi lẹ́ṣẹ̀ náà tẹ́yìn bá ṣáà ti ń dán tẹ́ ń gun land cruiser tẹ́ ń gun oríṣiríṣi mọ́tò tẹ́ ń wakùsà tẹ́ ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ ọláfàrí wá mọ́sí àbí kí ló ń jẹ mo ṣe bí tí wọ́n bá rọ́ni níṣẹ́ irú àfitọ́mọ jẹ irú ròǹbòrùn of course báwo lẹ tiẹ̀ ṣe expect kó rí irú ọ̀gá lọmọ iṣẹ́ múra sí i. Mr. Lafari said, for a man claiming to be defending a race to be attacking the same people you claim you are defending leaves much to be desired. For a man claiming to be defending the race to be attacking the same people as Olafare gbẹnu ẹ̀ sàn gbé gbogbo ẹnu ẹ̀ sàn. He is the one even defending the people. He was not attacking them. What do you mean attacking the same people? Ṣé nìkan jáwádé ni? He was specific. Àwọn olórí ló bá sọ̀rọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin olórí wa ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe wá dáadáa. Mo ṣe bí ká tó dá yọ orí ló ṣíwájú tí gbogbo ara tẹ̀lé torí bá ti wọ́n ń bolẹ̀ fẹ́ kára yòókù dúró sí. Kẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe dáadáa ó pè yín ṣàkíyèsí ni pé kẹ́ ẹ ṣe dáadáa kẹ́ ẹ ṣe eré. Ẹ wá sọ pé for a man claiming to be defending a race to be attacking the same people you claim you are defending this much to? Who are the people? You share the people attacking the same people. Share any of you told them to go suffer. And when the people that is a fallacy, that is a lie right there. Moses Olafare. If anything, excuse me, he was not attacking the people. He was actually defending, while your so-called leaders are conspirators, doing spokesmen for the Orbis and the likes of him that you are doing spokesmen for are the conspirators. Because they are indirectly conniving, and they are indirectly attacking us, the people, as well, leaving the people helpless. They are lacking in their traditional, they are not performing their traditional roles. It was leaves much to be desired. Same. Over to you, same, like vice versa, noni. Vice versa, noni. So, kill answer. Really, Olafare, Mr. Olafare said that the support of the people Mr. Adeyemo is currently enjoying is this onslaught against some criminals that have infiltrated the Southwest is not out of the blues. Won't step up. Step down. No, you want that she kill a one who had been talk about bread low west. Kill a one who had been talk about bread low west. He, however, cautioned him against reckless comments and allegations, saying they do not portray him as cultured Yoruba with moral values and virtues. Go and say that. Go and vice versa. Olafare, vice versa. So see, come about sorrow. Say they want to be Moshe sorrow. Sorrow be a molua because sorrow be a moto backo. Shall to jail lord, she won't be a little metal. To the shetolati sheto, to backo. I be more common. But she want a leaking all the one in Banta now. But she want a leaking all the one in Banta. Or Motaye be la ye bon. You know the Wabatisha no romantical down. Romantical dance is Sarah, what you copy what you already cabin, but you will not allow Rama. So, no any etonara. Same to you people too. He, however, cautioned him against reckless comments and allegations. Really? In every rumor, there's an iota of truth. To ba jẹ́ pé allegation yóò true kí ló wá ń ta yín lára kí ló dé tó dùn yín tó yẹn ó ṣe jó yín tó yẹn, saying they do not portray him as a cultured man with moral values and virtues. Okay, ṣé wọ́n the so-called ọba tó ń ṣe spokesperson fún and his likes ṣé wọ́n conduct ara wọn as cultured Yoruba man with morals and virtues? Ṣé wọ́n ti ẹni virtues ṣá? Ṣé wọ́n ní morals ṣá? Ṣé wọ́n ti ẹni conscience at all? Murasi, Olafare, Murasi, if you are doing something and people are hailing you, I don't think you need to allow that credit to get into your head and start to misbehave. He dey pay you. Of course, you can you share me. Emurasi, if you could open your mouth and call on such unprintable names that you called him, Timmy Obaje Shukura, Tenikabani Shukura, me only down now. But about I tell you, Abiamo. Mata wono na toruru coming ototo must be oruko ti ba pe won mọ́ orúkọ tí wọ́n ń jẹ́ náà ni ó bá wọn lára mu wọ́n ń jẹ́ ni ẹni ìwọ̀fà lẹ́nu tó bá wọ lẹ́nu ni olólùnà wọ́n fà béèyàn bá pè mí lórúkọ tí mi ò jẹ́ lórúkọ tí yóò sọ mí tí bàbá ò sọ mí mi ò nídìí láti dá lóhùn bọ́ tó bá pè mí lórúkọ mi tó kì mí délédélé màá sọ tó túmọ̀ sí pé nǹkan tó sọ yẹn bó ṣe rí gẹ́lẹ́ nìyẹn kódà ó lẹ̀ mọ́ yín ní pẹ́kí tipẹ́ǹtì wọ́n tipẹ́ǹtì ló lẹ̀ mọ́ yín torí ẹ̀ lẹ ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ torí ẹ̀ lẹ ṣe ń dáhùn ẹ lè ṣe agbọ́màbí wọn ni tí ò bá jọmọ yín ẹ lè ṣe agbọ́màbí wọn ni tí dandan ní kẹ́ ẹ fèsì ni sẹ́yìn nìkan ni wọ́n jà Olúwo ò ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ Mákindé ò ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ Tinubu ò ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ ó ṣe jẹ́yìn nìkan lẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ àwítẹ́ ẹ̀ mọ̀ wáṣọ aṣọ àlàtẹ́pọ̀ ti kún ẹ̀ ń wà lákàkiri inú yín ò dẹ̀ mọ́ inú yín dúdú dé èdú lọ iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ yín gan kódà ó pupa jẹjẹ lọ ṣí o nonsense kí ló sọ Ọláfárẹ́ ó ní if you could open your mouth and call on his such unprintable names that you call him that shows the kind of Yoruba man that you are same vice versa ẹni tí wọ́n bá pè lórúkọ orúkọ yẹn náà show the kind of Yoruba man tó náà jẹ́ I do not see any reason that will make me describe Ejolofero who is of lower rank on the traditional rulers ranking with such unprintable names. Ejolofero, sorry for the gods. If I cannot do that to Baale, why should I do such a thing to Ooni? Baale pọ́nrẹ́ lẹ́ni Ọláfárẹ́. Moses Ọláfárẹ́ Baale ó pọ́nrẹ́ lẹ́ni. Baale ó mọ̀ wọn ara ẹ̀ ni. Baale ó wùwà bó ti tó àti bó ti yẹ torí pé ó mẹ̀ tó ṣẹ̀tọ́ ni. Ṣé rí new dispensation tá lọ Baale kí Baale ọba kọ́ba ìjòyè kí jòyè tí ó bá inú kó fall in shape kó fall in àbí kó fall out of it ó máa jẹyún ẹ̀ níṣu ó máa jẹ níṣu torí power belongs to the people both politically and traditionally tí ó bá sí àwa kò sí ẹ̀yin really it does not portray anybody as ọmọlúwàbí ká máa ṣe ọmọlúwàbí ká máa pa wá àbí inú yín ti ẹ̀bù ẹ̀rọ òrùn sani ṣé kò yẹ yín pé ikú tó ń pojú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni òwe ńlá ló ń pa fúnni ni these people are killing mẹ̀kúnnù they are killing olówó they are even killing ọba lára yín so ńgbà tó bá wá pa wá tó ṣe bẹ́yìn lókù tí wọ́n máa pa àbẹ́yìn kọ́ lókù tí wọ́n máa pa ni ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣe gulegule tẹ́ ẹ̀ lọ́bẹ̀ ẹ̀ mọ̀ pé mo lè yìí sí lè pa yín ṣá kí wọ́n ní ásídẹ́ǹtì kan ló ṣẹ̀ tó bá wá pa yín ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kú gbé nìyẹn ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ yá mútù fẹ̀ fòfó rí ara yín kọ́ nìyẹn à ń gbòòrò má jẹ yín lọ́wọ́ ọkú wọ́n ní kó wọn ọjọ́ wọn ràkìtàn náà jẹ ẹni kan máa pọn yín lẹ́yìn tẹ́ ẹ̀ pọnra yín lé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti yẹ̀yẹ́ ara yín gúlégúlé tí yé ni mo rí rí ẹni tó jẹ́ ṣàgbẹnusọ fún ìkan tí ẹ ní mo rí rí kò fìdí mo rò pé wọ́n ti fi má jókòó ṣe kò kí n jókòó ó jẹ́ péré lórí gbogbo Yorùbá ó yẹ kó wá máa bẹ́ẹ̀ níbi tó bá wà ní kì í ṣe pé gúlégúlé wọ́n á máa rìn káàkiri ṣé ọba tó ṣe fashion parade ọba tó ṣe babiyan ńlá káàkiri tó rìn káàkiri ló wá sí pé kàn pọ́n lé because I don't get it mi ò get it Ọláfárẹ́ make it make sense ọmọlúwàbí as a man of Yoruba virtues and values so bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ ṣàbòsí ni màmá gbọ́ ọmọlúwàbí wá ṣáwọn ọba gan ṣe ọmọlúwàbí ṣọ́ portray themselves as custodians of the Yoruba culture and tradition that they have virtues and culture they have virtues and values Shebi they should lead by you are doing do as I say, not do as I do. If you are the custodian of the Yoruba culture and tradition, you should be the #1 exemplary man of virtues and values. But man, what you represent is something else. Your behavior, the way you conduct yourself, the way you relate and interact speaks something else. Yet you want to be accorded the respect and honor to that. It doesn't work that way. Kò lè work bẹ́ẹ̀. And you lead by example. It's vice versa. And you lead by the example. Torí bá ti straight, gbogbo ara yòókù máa straight. Orí ló ṣíwájú náà ńgbà tá à ń bọ̀ láyé. Orí ló ṣíwájú tí gbogbo ara tẹ̀lé. Torí bá ti dúró orí, gbogbo ara náà máa dúró orí. So ẹ má gbé yẹn wá. Ẹ má gbé yẹn wá. Okay, bring it on. In any case, if you are fighting for the liberation of the people, that is the responsibility. Okay, in any case, if you are fighting for the liberation of the people, this is a responsibility that is self-saddled. You choose to, and for you to succeed, you need the same people that you are representing, otherwise you will not succeed. Moses Fafore, ṣorí nǹkan tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sọ́nsìn kó jẹ́ ní kíákíá. Only in any case, if you are fighting for the liberation of the people, this is a responsibility that is self-saddled. You choose to. Ó wà sọ ó yẹ kó máa sọ self-saddled. Ó máa wà self-saddled. Ó máa ṣe torí ẹ̀yin tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ ṣe wọ́n ṣe. Àbí gbogbo wọn ò lè sọ ká kọrí síbì kan náà. Báàkú làákú. Àwọn tó kú ti kú, àwọn tó kú ti kú, àwọn tó máa kú, àwọn tó máa kú ló máa kú. Nígbà tí ẹ̀yin ò ṣe, káwá máa wò. Yes, he took on the responsibility. Yes, and we are grateful for that. You choose to, and for you to succeed, you need the same people that you are representing. Otherwise, you will not as well. Our to represent, we fully back him. We fully support him. So he's going to succeed. So, any few people, any individual people, kò lè work. It is either you swim or you sink. It is either you swim or you sink. In any case, if you are fighting for the liberation of the people, that is the this is the responsibility that is self-saddled. You choose to. Really? Lenwe Olafare. My application got to say, in any case, if you are fighting for the liberation of the people, liberation of the people. So this is a responsibility that is self-saddled. You choose to, and for you to succeed, you need the same people that you are representing, otherwise you will not succeed. Is this the way you are going to get the support of the people you are representing when you start attacking the same people? No, that is a lie right there. He's not attacking them. And the people are supporting him. You people are not even part of us. There is class hegemony. Ara nǹkan tá à ń sọ náà nìyẹn. Ẹ kò máa sọ̀rọ̀ láì rorí. Ọláfárè, mo ti wá kẹ́sẹ̀ pàgbàlagbà ní ẹ o. Baálé ilé ní ẹ o. Ó máa níyàwó o. Ó máa lọ́mọ o. Ojú gbà mí tì fún ẹ. Moses Ọláfárè. Ó dùn mí fún ẹ. Bó o lè sọ kátikàti. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bó wù yín kẹ́ wá jẹ́ wa, bó wù yín kẹ́ má wá jẹ́ wa, nǹkan tó máa jẹ́ kẹ́ wá jẹ́ kẹ́ wá. Ọ̀pọ̀lápè díẹ̀ láyàn. Àpérò èèyàn láfẹ́ wọ́n ní wọ́n ti kọ́ lẹ́yìn náà bẹ́ẹ̀ bá jó tó méjì tó mẹ́ta kó ṣáà ti gẹ́ran. Kó ṣàtà ní yín kí lẹ jẹ́ mọ́ kí lẹ ń fira yín pé. Tẹ́ ẹ sọ pé láìsí yín kò sílùú. It's the other way round, láìsí ìlú kò sẹ́yìn. So tó bá fẹ́ lọ máa jẹ kábíyèsí, tó bá fẹ́ lọ máa jẹ gàba yín lórí àwọn fíù ara ẹ múra sí. It's the same way you are going. Is this the way you are going to get the support of the people you are representing when you start attacking the same people? People will back out. This is just the telling God, why in now? At ikú dekula jowa. Àwọn bí tẹ́ dúró sí ṣe ẹ̀yin táṣìírí yín ò bò. Àwọn bí tẹ́ dúró sí. Àwọn bí tẹ́ wà. Whether you like it or not, some people are following you because of that same Ooni. They will back at ẹni tó bá máa lọ jẹ́ kó lọ. Ẹni tó bá máa lẹ́jẹ́ kan ọ̀nà àníṣẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀lápè díẹ̀ la yàn ọ̀pọ̀lá ńgbà tí there are some countries in Europe ńgbà tí wọ́n máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ kínní few people ni ọ̀pọ̀lápè díẹ̀ la kẹ́nìkan máa halẹ̀ mọ́ Káyọ̀dé ẹ̀yẹ́ dúnkokò mọ́ wa you are so full of yourselves ẹ̀yẹ́ dúnkokò mọ́ wa whether you like it or not some people are following you because of that same money and so àti kí tí wá ni and so àti kí tí wá ni they will back out kọ́ńtì ó better kó back out ẹni bá máa back out kó back out nígbà nínú kan náà àwọn ẹ̀sìn wa kó ńgbà tó fẹ́ ṣe ogun ńlá fún wọn ó pe gbogbo sójà ó ní sójà tó bá ti ṣojú sókè tó mu omi tí ó gbójú sílẹ̀ kó mu omi ipa àwọn tó ń yàn nìyẹn àwọn tó ṣojú sókè tí wọ́n mu omi tó ń fọwọ́ bu omi tí wọ́n ń wòye ká pé kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láyìíká àwọn ló mú ìwọ̀nba péréte dẹ̀ ni wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣẹ́gun ẹjọ́ nígbà tá a máa gbé tí bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ kínní agitation of independence wọn ẹjọ́ ṣé gbogbo òlu ló kọ́kọ́ tẹ̀lé ṣé bí wọ́n bá àwọn péréte ni tó túmọ̀ sí pé few people la really need so bóyá ẹ follow àpọ́nlé ni gbogbo yẹn àpọ́nlé ni pé kinní kan ṣe ni kíni excuse me they will back out come back out àti kí tí wá ni bọ́kọ̀ kò rédìrín ẹgbẹgbẹ̀rún ẹ̀ máa lọ so ẹ má halẹ̀ mọ́ Káyọ̀dé wa o ẹ má halẹ̀ mọ́ Káyọ̀dé wa tọ́ wọ́n bá back out kí wọ́n back out tẹ́nìkan bá back out a million will fall ìyẹn tí wọ́n ń kọ́ ẹ ti rò pé kò sí irú yín irú Ọlọ́run ni ò sí táǹdì láti ẹ̀ ní òmòdó táǹdì ọlọ́fàrẹ́ táǹdì rèé o ẹni tó ń gbẹnu sọ fún láti ẹ̀ wò pé báwo ni wọ́n ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn gẹ́gẹ́ bí aṣíwájú ìwọ tí wọ́n wá fọ́ fèrè òkúta nǹkan tó bá fọ́ fèrè ní fèrè ìwọ tiẹ̀ tó wá ìwọ gan ní táǹdì títẹ̀ yìí gan kódà lẹ́nu ẹ̀ bí wọ́n bá máa lọ kí wọ́n lọ tẹ́lẹ̀ nǹkan nǹkan tó lọ́ọ́ máa ṣe kò fi hàn ẹnìkan irú Ọlọ́run ni ò sí irú èèyàn pé gba better people ibi tẹ́rọ ó lóun kò sọ pé níbi tẹ́rọ bá pọ̀ sí òun ò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ tó túmọ̀ sí pé tó èrò bá ti pọ̀ gan àbọ̀dé rìkìṣí rìgímọ̀ kíníkan wọ́n máa pín yẹlẹyẹlẹ bọ̀ tó bá jẹ́ èèyàn 7 ni èèyàn 16 ni èèyàn 71 ni èèyàn ló dúró that is all we need so wo àti ìwọ Ọláfárẹ́ o àtẹni tó ṣòǹgbìfọ̀ fún àti ìwọ tó jóǹgbìfọ̀ àti mọ̀bí tẹ́ ẹ dúró sí àti mọ̀bí tẹ́ ẹ wà ẹ múra sí ṣé bí inú mi dùn pé nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ kọ ìpín black and white lẹ́kọ́ tó túmọ̀ sí pé posterity kò ní gbàgbé ipa tẹ́ ẹ kó àti nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ àtàkìtìyàn àti gbìyànjú yìí mo ṣe wọ́n sọ pé yìí lóhùn agbanilé tí orúkọ ń ṣẹ̀jẹ̀ tí ò bá kí ṣe pẹ́ ti níra yín sínú tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ kí ló dé kí ló fa gbogbo kòtìkòtì tọmọdé bá ti ẹ ṣe bí ọmọdé ẹ̀yin náà wá ń kọ sẹ́yìn náà ẹ ṣe ṣe àgbà now you are ready for the fight awitan ẹ wálé ẹ̀ tí sọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ bá tún fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan lẹ́nu Ọláfárẹ́ ó wá ń sọ pé is self-saddled responsibility of defending the Yorubas. Ipe Igboho self-saddled responsibility of defending the Yorubas. Múrasí. Ìyẹn náà dá Ọláfárẹ́ wo mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rí eléyìí ni. Níbo ni mo ti rí náà? oyoaffairs.net. And you've said this a month ago, but I'm just seeing this just now, so that is why I am responding to what you said. So, really? balẹ̀ jẹ́ tó báyìí. Ẹ ti bá mo ti wọ́n kárẹ̀ láì Ìgbòho ó náà bù fún yín. Ó bù fún yín. Hot. So whatever, gbogbo funny enough, gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ accuse Igboho of, you are equally guilty of it. You are equally guilty of it. Tó túmọ̀ sí pé the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Ọmọ tẹ́ yá bá bí ẹ̀yà ní òjò. Ìran elephant kò kí n bá rárá now. Kò kí n bá rárá. Tó túmọ̀ sí pé ọmọ ọkọ ni Sunday Igboho, ọmọ ọkọ ni. Nǹkan tẹ́yìn kọ́ tẹ́yìn ò ṣe ojúṣe yín lójú ayé yín tí wọ́n ń gbà ṣe yín ṣe tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ ṣe ipò your proactiveness ó lòun ṣe yẹn. Ẹ wá ń dúnkokò ó ga gan-an jẹ́ tiẹ̀ tún wá nǹkan tó sọ kí ni nǹkan tó tún sọ náà kí n tún wá nǹkan tó sọ. If you are doing something and people are hailing you, I don't think you need to allow that credit to go into your head and start to misbehave. You misbehave. Ta ló máa gbé sórí ẹṣin tí ò ní sọ̀pàkọ̀? Àtiwọ́ abẹnugan àtẹni tó ń gbẹnu sọ fún àwọn misbehave. Wọ́n ti misbehave. Ẹ̀yin ò fọlá jiyọ̀. Àbí ẹni kó má torí pé àwọn èèyàn wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe kiri kó má fọlá jí. Ẹ̀yin ò tí ì fọlá jiyọ̀. Tí ì fọlá jiyọ̀. Okay. Ẹni mo ṣe lè pè Morasi. So yes, so my people, na so I see Ooni spokesperson Moses Olafare said finally speaks on Igboho's tongue lash. So èyí tẹ́yìn sọ yìí tongue whip ni. Tongue whip. Èyí tẹ́yìn sọ yìí kò tí tongue lash báyìí. Tongue whip lẹ́yìn sọ. Ẹ múra sí. Even up till now. Oníkálukú ti mọ̀ wá ara wọn. Even up till now, àti ìrìpa pàtàkì tẹ́ ẹ kó. Tí kó ipa pàtàkì kọ́kọ́. Tí kópa pàtàkì kọ́kọ́. Gbogbo ń tẹ́ ẹsẹ̀ tí lè fi jú gbogbo ẹ̀ máa tó tú síta. So guys, Moses Olafare. Morasi. Until I come your way again, I remain truly yours, Aitale Abiyamo. Bye.